Your credit score is not a measure of how good you are with money. Let's be clear about that right now. It is a measure of how good you are at playing the debt game. It's an I love debt score. The banks and lenders love it because it tells them how much money they can make off you. The higher your score, the more they trust you to borrow their money and pay them back with interest. It affects everything from getting a mortgage on a home to the interest rate you'll pay on a car loan. It can even impact your insurance premiums or whether you get approved for a rental apartment. A low score is like trying to run a race with ankle weights on. It makes everything harder and more expensive. The good news is, you are in control. You are not a victim of your credit score. You can change it. And you can start changing it faster than you think. Forget about waiting years for things to get better. I'm going to give you a clear, step-by-step plan that you can start right now, today, to see real improvement in just 30 to 60 days. This isn't some magic trick or a get-out-of-jail-free card. It's about taking intentional, focused action, being gazelle intense to clean up the mess. You have the power to turn this ship around. It starts with making a decision to take charge of your financial life, starting with this number. Sometimes you need to clean up your credit to achieve a big goal, like getting that mortgage with a decent rate. A low score can cost you tens of thousands over a loan. A few points could be the difference between a 4% and a 7% interest rate. On a $300,000 mortgage, that difference is massive. It's the difference between building wealth and throwing money away on interest. This is your battle plan, a simple, proven guide. We'll break it into small, daily actions. Roll up your sleeves. It's time to improve your credit score, starting now. You can't win a fight if you don't know who you're fighting. Your first step, get your hands on your credit reports today. This is not optional. See exactly what lenders see. There are 3 main credit bureaus that track this: Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. They are the gatekeepers of your financial reputation. The law says you can get a free copy from each once a year. Go to annualcreditreport.com, the only official source. Don't get tricked by sites that charge or enroll you. Once you have the reports, do a deep dive, print them out, grab a highlighter, go through them line by line, like a detective. Look for every detail on every account. Check account numbers, dates opened, credit limits, and current balances. Pay close attention to payment history. Are payments shown as on time? Are there late payments you don't remember? This is your financial history on paper. Know it inside and out. It might feel scary if there are old messes. That's okay. Facing the truth is the first step toward change. Don't let fear or shame stop you. Remember, you are not your mistakes. You're what you do now. Looking at these reports is like stepping on the scale at the start of a diet. The number might sting, but you need a starting point. This is about gathering intelligence, seeing the whole picture. You'll see which accounts help and which hurt. You'll see total debt in black and white. For many, this is a wake-up call, the clarity that fuels change. So take a deep breath and get it done. Get those reports and start reading. This is ground zero for your financial turnaround. From here, we move fast and focused. Next, find and destroy the errors. All right, you've got your credit reports. Now it's time to go on the attack. In your first week, your mission is to find every single error and dispute it. 1 in 5 people have an error. That's crazy. It could be an account that isn't yours, a wrong balance, a late payment that was on time, or a closed account showing open. These mistakes can drag your score down. It's up to you to fix them. File a formal dispute online, or better, send a certified letter with return receipt to create a paper trail. State your name, address, the account number, and exactly what is wrong. Include proof, bank statements, payoff letters, copies only. Keep copies of everything. Bureaus have 30 days to investigate. This step alone can jump your score 20, 30, even 50 points. A corrected late mark is a massive win. Do this first. Make your report 100% accurate. This is your foundation. If your credit score were a recipe, payment history is the main ingredient. 35% of your FICO score. Pay bills on time, every time. Even one late can wreck your score and sit there for 7 years. Recent lates hurt most. If you're behind, get current. Call the lender, ask for a plan, maybe a waived fee. Most would rather get some than none. Systemize it. Set auto-pay for minimums. Add calendar reminders, budgeting app alerts, even mirror sticky notes. Every on-time payment builds positive history. Over time, it outweighs past mistakes. Clean water clears the bucket. From this day forward, on-time payments. No exceptions, no excuses. Now let's tame the utilization beast. The next biggest factor. Credit utilization is how much of your available credit you're using, 30% of your score. Total balances divided by total limits. Maxed cards look risky. Lower utilization, higher score. Below 30% is a start. To really climb, aim under 10%. 50% is too high. Pay to $20,500 and you're at 25%. That can boost your score in as little as 30 days. Week 2. Attack balances. Cut eating out. Cancel unused subscriptions. Get a side hustle. Hit the highest utilization first, or snag a small balance win to build momentum. Ask for a credit limit increase. If limits rise and you don't spend more, utilization falls. But only if you won't use that extra credit. It's a tool, not a toy. Seeing a collection feels like a gut punch. It's a big red flag and damages your score. But don't ignore it. A collection is a debt sold to a third party, often for pennies on the dollar. Their job is to get you to pay. Stay calm, you have rights. Before paying $1, make them validate the debt by certified letter. If they can't prove it, they must stop contacting you and remove it from your report. If valid, negotiate. They bought it cheap. Aim for a pay for delete. Pay less than full, they delete the entry. Always get it in writing first. Pay by check or money order. Never give bank account access. After 30 to 45 days, confirm deletion on your reports. If it's still there, send your agreement to the bureaus. As you build your score, know what not to do. First, don't close old cards. Length of history is 15%. Old accounts help your average age. Closing can drop your score. Closing also reduces total limit, spiking utilization. Unless a card has a costly, non-waivable annual fee, keep zero balance accounts open and use them lightly every 6 months. Don't open a bunch of new accounts. Hard inquiries shave points and stay 2 years. During your 30-60-day window, avoid new credit. Balance transfers can save interest, but they don't fix too much debt. Plus, new account, hard pull, lower average age. The solution, pay it off. Okay, let's put it together. Simple, actionable timeline. Days 1 to 7. Get all 3 reports at annualcreditreport.com. Read every line, highlight errors, send certified disputes, list every debt with balance and rate, set auto-pay minimums on all bills. This sets the stage. Days 80 to 30. Throw extra cash at high utilization cards or knock out a small balance. Ask for limit increases. Start validating collections and negotiating pay for delete in writing. Days 31 to 60. Recheck reports for removals. Confirm deletions. Keep hammering balances. Aim under 10% utilization. Keep every payment on time. You've faced the truth, cleaned errors, attacked debt, and built habits. Be proud, but keep going. Wealth is a long game. Thin file? Consider a secured card. Make a small deposit, use it for gas, and pay in full monthly. It's a tool, not a toy. Overwhelmed? A non-profit credit counseling agency can help with budgets and plans. Avoid for-profit debt settlement traps. Final checklist. 1. Pull 3 reports. 2. Dispute errors in writing. 3. Set auto-pay for all bills. 4. Drop utilization below 30%, ideally under 10. 5. Negotiate pay for delete on collections. 6. No new credit. Don't close old. 7. Track progress and celebrate small wins. 8. Keep going. Make these habits permanent. Don't wait. Start today. You are in charge now.